Hello students, welcome all of you in class 5 social science video. Your chapter is the birth of the United Nations. In this video, we will discuss the questions and answers of this chapter. Now, question number 1. Why did the League of Nations fail? There are following two reasons why the League of Nations failed. First one is one of the world's most powerful countries, the USA, United States of America, was not its member. The League members did not oppose aggression by Japan, Italy, Germany in 1930s. Now next question is give a cause and an effect of the world wars. Cause of the world wars. Industrialized countries like Germany, France, and Portugal started colonizing in the non industrialized Asian and African countries. They started fighting among themselves, which finally led to a great war. Now, effect of the world wars. After world wars, many cities were devastated. Millions of innocent people and soldiers lost their lives. Next question is explain the main principles of the UN Charter. United Nations act in accordance with the following principles. First, all members states are First one is all member states are sovereign and equal. All are pledged to fulfill their obligations under the Charter in good faith. All are pledged to settle their international disputes by peaceful means. They are to control in their international relations from the threat. They are to give the UN every assistance in any action it takes in accordance with the Charter. Now, next question is list the main objectives by the United Nations. There are following the main objectives of the United Nations: to maintain international peace and security based on respect for the principle of equal human rights, to develop friendly relations among the nations, to cooperate in solving international problems of an economic, social, cultural, or humanitarian character, to cooperate in solving international problems of an economic, social, cultural, or humanitarian character, to be center for harmonizing the actions of nations in achieving these ends, to protect environment and justify use of natural resource. Now your next question is which values are cherished by the United Nations? It establishes the peace and disarmament around the world. It increases the unity and integrity among the member nations. It enhances the freedom social progress, equal right, and human dignity. Has the UN fulfilled its objectives? How? Explain. Yes, UN fulfilled its objectives because there have been no world war after formation of UN. Even there have been no direct war between big powers. UN has been successful solving many matters related to small and poor nations. It has been more successful in other social issues like education, health, and human trafficking, etc. Thank you.